Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am showing my Meesho haul. I can say this is most requested video because many of you were asking me to show products that are available online, and through Meesho app you can order from anywhere all over India. So come, let's see my haul now. I bought this beautiful decor piece for my entrance store. By the way, if you like any of these products, please download Meesho app from the link in description box. By doing so, you can get 100 rupees or flat 30% off on your first order. After downloading, you can search product using its code. So please download Meesho app if you have not downloaded it. So this is very beautiful toran with multicolor hanging bells and glittering beads. Quality is quite good. Beautifully crafted with bright color bells and sequence of beads and pom-poms, this toran will surely elevate your doorway. Next product is this hangable makeup organizer or dressing kit. It can be used to organize all your makeup and beauty accessories. It comes with a steel hanger to hang wherever you want in your home. Cute embroidery work at the top makes it even more beautiful. So like this you can hang this organizer anywhere in your home. Although it is made up of soft satin material, it is strong enough to hold weight of all accessories together. So quality is too good. It has several sections and zip packets to organize all your makeup accessories in a easy and effective manner. As you can see, there are some strips here to hang your clips and hair accessories. And in these packets, you can keep bindi packets, compact powders, whatever you want. And in these small packets, you can keep kajal, lipstick, small creams, and also three zips are provided to hold any large stuff. I liked it a lot because everything can be seen very clearly, and when you are in a hurry, you can just take whatever you want and place it back. I am using this kit to organize my daily essentials and accessories. You can even fold it and carry anywhere you want. So I can say this is a must buy for ladies. These are a set of electric diyas, very elegant. So each diya has got three columns, and each column has seven diya lights coated with golden color. The diyas are really beautiful. You just need to plug it on. So these can be used during festivals or any other puja events as a part of decoration, thus making it more even special with glittering diyas and illuminated lights. Next one is this three-layer shower caddy organizer. It can be mounted on a shower unit or over the door, or also can be used in kitchen as an organizer. Few hangers are provided underneath the bottom hanger to hang any extra accessories. Four suction cups are provided along with other fitting accessories for adjusting around tiles to ensure secure mounting. This comes in several parts and needs to be assembled properly. All necessary fitting accessories are also provided. Just follow the instructions provided on its carton. Made up of sturdy plastic, this product has awesome quality and totally worth buying. Finally, our caddy is ready. This is made up of sturdy plastic and is of awesome quality and totally worth buying. I liked this product very much. That's why I am buying another one for my second bathroom. So if you are looking for a caddy, I will definitely recommend this one. Very good one. Give it a try. Next, I ordered this steel cylinder trolley cum stand. Of course, good quality made up of heavy steel. It is very sturdy and strong enough to hold cylinder, and these wheels help in moving cylinder easily around any corner of the house. Also, please make a note, I am showing the products with good quality and those are worth buying only. And in Meesho, you can find products at very reasonable prices. So, try to install the app if not installed yet. And these are three set flower pots. I bought them for my balcony. As you can see, they are beautifully designed with flower impressions. I got them in three colors: blue, white, and red. But I felt size is somewhat small. However, quality of plastic is very good and they really look beautiful and colorful when placed together. Accordingly, I ordered this unique gardening toolkit set. I got 4 pieces in this package, bubble wrapped and securely packed, garden scissors, and 3 other tools which are equipped with wooden handles. Every tool is sharp and of good quality, but size of these tools is small and can be used for balconies or small garden work. Of course, altogether these tools can help in making your garden work easy and saves a lot of time, reducing your efforts. So, I am planning to add few more plants to my balcony using these pots and of course these tools also. The last one, a horizontal wall sticker. I bought this to stick behind my work table. Product is good but length is very less. So if you are ordering for a long surface, better to order two of them. I bought all these products in Meesho app at very reasonable prices. Let me give small info about Meesho app. Meesho is India's most favorite app to buy top quality products at lowest prices. In this app, you can find more than 50 lakhs products. You can find a wide range in various categories like women's wear, kids wear, men's wear, kitchen, home decor, organization, fashion, and many more. You can also earn money from this app by sharing and reselling your products to your contacts from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Please download Meesho app from the link in description box. By doing so, you can get a discount of 100 rupees or flat 30% off on your first order. Additionally, you can get free delivery on all orders. Cash on delivery and easy returns are also available. You can just search for a product using product code or you can select from various categories available. Add it to cart and provide your contact details and select payment mode. If you are ordering for yourself, press no. Or if you are reselling, press yes. And then add margin amount and this margin amount will be transferred to your account. Hence you can easily earn from Meesho and the product will be delivered safely within prescribed period of time. That's it. Very easy, isn't it? So, friends, that was my Meesho haul. All these products are good in quality and worth buying. So, if you want to buy, you can consider them. And I hope you like this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.